Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a cover, or let's say a banner, to your Ko-fi page. So let me go ahead and click on my page here at the top, and you will see that it just blank. So you have a picture of a little baby here of that profile, right? And you realize that the background is blank. But if you look closer towards the upper right hand side, you have something that says cover, and this is what you need to click on to be able to change the background, right? So you want to go ahead and click on cover, and here you want to upload the picture that you have. So I'm going to just choose something from my computer here. So let me go to downloads and see what I have. Yeah, maybe just a picture of some car, right? So I'm going to click on that, and as you can see, it's currently loading, and have a look at that. It now changes. No, this doesn't look too good, right? But you get the idea. So if you create a custom background for yourself, then you can easily go ahead and add that in. No, I think I have something else that I could try. Let's use this one. It's from DaVinci, it's a per channel, right? You can see that when I go ahead and add that in, it actually changes. So have a look at that. How cool is that? So if you have your own profile, let's say you're running a YouTube channel, whatever you have that you're actually running, and you want to use Ko-fi to create a page where you can take donation, do subscription, all those different good stuff, create your shop, you can create a nice little background here, and you can upload that cover here to your profile. These are very easy to make as well. You can easily use Canva. So if you go to Canva and you type in, for example, YouTube banner or something like that, you can create the same or use even the same and add it here, because this is for a YouTube channel, right? So you can easily go ahead and use the same thing, and you see how nicely it fits in your Ko-fi web page here. So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to go ahead and add a banner or a cover banner here for your Ko-fi page.